Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can view players 2K card in City of Park in NBA 2K26. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is to just hit L1 key or R1 key together. If you have Xbox, just use your LB key and RB key at the same time and you're gonna see the pop-up like this. Right here you're gonna see all the players which are currently online. So you need to choose the player whose 2K card you wanna see. In my case, let's say I wanna check this user's 2K card. I can just select that, and right here we have the option for view 2K card. If we select that, we're gonna see such options like we can view his attributes. If I hit RT key or R2 key, we can easily scroll through all these options like badges, stats, signature moves, and pretty much everything you can check of this particular player. I can go and select this option, proving ground. Here I'll get some more details and you can check basically everything about this player. And yeah, that's basically how you can view players 2K card in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.